Today I'm going to share with you how I cook eggs with a little bit of glutinous rice wine. Now, firstly, I'll put in a little bit of teal seed, or what I would call linseed oil, and this is actually a very fragrant oil that we use to fry things like ginger slices, which you can actually cut it into thin slices so that it can cook very fast and well. And this is the oil that's in the Philips pressure cooker. It's a very convenient uh, apparatus to cook with, and I'm putting in the ginger slices, and I put it on saute. So I'm just gonna saute the ginger slices in the sesame oil for a little bit. Not too much of the teal seed oil. You can put about 1 teaspoon or two, but I rather go with one so that it's not too oily when you have cooked it. So basically, you saute the ginger slices till it's a bit of golden brown, and you can smell the aroma from the teal seed oil coming out. Now I've got 2 eggs or so. That will be for later part of cooking. And I also got my favorite lump sugar, or what you call crystal sugar. This is to add a little bit of taste to the cooking. And of course, my famous glutinous rice wine, which you probably could get from a Chinese supermarket. And a little bit of chicken seasoning for flavor. So the ingredients sometimes can be adjusted because it depends on how sweet you like it to be, how much taste you like it. So it's really very flexible. So first I got to stir fry and saute the ginger slices till they are a bit of golden brown, and you can smell the aroma from the ginger slices. It should be about 2 to 3 minutes. So when you smell the aroma from the fried ginger slices, then you can start to add a bit of water, which I will be doing soon. But I'm just sauteing the ginger slices. I'm going to put in about a glass of water, and then I will cover the Philips pressure cooker to let it cook and boil for a while so that the ginger will actually release the aroma of its juices, and let the whole item cook for a while before adding other ingredients. This is about 4 cubes of the lump or crystal sugar. You can add a bit more or less depending on how sweet you like the taste to be. And a little bit of the chicken seasoning for a bit of taste. You can also add according to your taste. You can add a little bit, and then you can add a bit more or less depending on how much of the taste or how salty you prefer the wine to be after you have cooked it. This is the glutinous rice wine. It's about 1 or 2 big tablespoons of the wine, and of course you can adjust the amount you would like. It's quite a fragrant wine, so, and it's a little bit sweetish. So now I'm going to cover it and let it boil for a while before I add in the eggs. You can see the pressure is building up once you have actually set the required selection of the temperature and air pressure for the cooker. Now it's almost done, and I'm going to be opening it up. Yeah, you can see this heat from the steam that's coming up. So I'm going to put in 2 eggs inside, and then I'm just going to stir it around to have what I call the egg flour, with a little bit of ginger, with a little bit of glutinous rice wine, rock sugar or lump sugar or crystal sugar, and a little bit of seasoning taste. And I let it boil for a little while before I scoop it up, and then I can have it as a soup for my lunch. And you can also fry the eggs if you like. That is how it looks like.